What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to do the coloring with Krita. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do here, you can open your Krita, and basically if you'd like to put the fill, so you need to create or prepare the object first. And for example, I'm going to create the circle here like this, and I would like to put the color here to be, let's say, red. So I need to click this fill tool, and after that I will select the color and click it here. And if you give the zoom in, you will see there is the section that not filled by the color. And how to solve this problem, so you need to, let's say, create the ellipse again, and before you put the color here, so make sure that you can visit these tool options, and after that click this fill, and you see in the grow section it was 0 pixel, so you need to add it to be 1 like this. And after that you can start to click the fill or fill the color into this section 1, 2, 3, and you'll see every single side or the pixel is now filled by the solid color, guys. So if you put the fill color into this section, it's gonna cover the background too. So make sure that you can start to, or make sure that your object is now solid, and also it can be filled with the color too. And you can also change the filling or the inner here, not only with the solid color but also the texture. For example, here you can start to create the circle first like this, and go to the tool option, and here you need to click this fill. It was not filled, and after that you can choose the pattern and go to this section beside this color gradient and choose the pattern that you want here. For example, I will choose this one, and after that you can start to prove it by create the circle again, for example like this. And now this circle have the different pattern beside this solid color. And also you can create the another one like the background color, foreground color, or not fill like this pattern or this circle. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.